To pair your Garmin Instinct watch with your phone, press and hold the menu button, go down to Settings, and go down to Pair Phone. Select this option and then install the Garmin Connect app on your phone, which is this app, and reach the watch logo on top here and add device. And there is the Garmin Instinct just right here. So yes, say connect, link connect with Instinct, okay. Input the number that is just right here, 762333, okay. Preferred activity tracker, well, if it's your only Garmin watch, yes. If you have another one and still want to use the other one as main watch, say keep current tracker. And that's it. You can set your bedtime and wake up time so so the phone can track your sleep, or make sure you don't get disturbed by your watch at those time. So do you want to receive notification between these time? No. Do you want to share your data? Personally, I don't mind, but if you are this kind of guy, well, it's up to you. And set some goal. Well, you can do all those kind of things, and then sync your watch, and that's it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.